Tarang, Chhoti Si Duniya. Welcome again, kids. So now we will learn the alphabet O and the words from O. See, we have so many words that starts from O. Let's start. This is O. O, and the sound is O. O. O for orange. Orange. We all love orange. O for owl. Owl. O for octopus. Octopus. O for oil. Oil. O for ocean. Ocean. O for ox. Ox. O for oval. Oval shape. O for oats. Oats. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned many new things. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel Tarang, Chhoti Si Duniya.